Hey, I'm Charlie, and today we're going to learn how to build a quiz template on cocohub.ai. And this means that you're going to have the ability to individually test students in a more conversational and effective manner. So let's get started. So first we're going to start with choosing a name for our bot. I'm going to go ahead and choose the name Jane for mine. Next, I'll have to choose an avatar. I like this one over here. And finally, I'll choose a voice for her. Next, we're going to have to choose the template. The teacher's template is the one you want because this one will allow you access to building the quiz. Finally, adding our institute name. Cocoa Hub High School is mine. And finally, we can give her a personality. You have a few you can choose from. I'm going to add that I'm a teacher of history because I happen to really like history. There we go, creating the bot. Here we are on Jane's dashboard. If you scroll down, you can see that she has the brain of a teacher. Like I said, this is one we need in order to have the skills to create the quiz. And now let's get started. I'm going to build a quiz about King Henry VIII. Add an opening statement, so the first thing that your teaching assistant will say to the students. Then we can move through the tabs. The second tab is the questions. You can add as many questions as you like. For my first question, I'm going to ask, what is the king's first wife's name? You're going to want to write out many answers to this. So as many different answers as you think the students might answer, you want to make sure that they have a few different options here, such as Catherine of Aragon or Catherine. I'm going to add another question. How did his second wife, Anne Boleyn, die? And again, I want to add as many answers as would be acceptable in this quiz. You're going to have the option later on to shuffle the questions in the quiz, so you don't need to be concerned about the order right now. And moving along, I'll add one more question to the group. And in the answer section, I'm going to give a few different options, such as writing out the answer in numerical values or in written terms. And then moving into the closing statement here. So something to let the students know that they've completed the end of their exam, and maybe letting them know also when you'll be finished marking and handing back the results. And the last tab is Settings. This gives you a few different options and makes your bot a little bit more conversational. The navigation messages are things that the bot will be saying between different questions. And make sure to give a few different answers here so that it feels more humanistic in the way that it approaches the conversational aspect of the quiz. And then on the very bottom here, you'll see the option to shuffle the questions, like I said earlier, so that they won't necessarily be in the same order. And that's it. Just exit to the top right. You can test it out via video. If you need any further help, let us know. Our contact details are below. Have fun with it, and good luck.